Roads are bad everywhere, but here in Ponda, this VIP Lines road is a major mess and nobody seems to care, just highlighting the apathy of the government. At MAPSA, inside the hall, a council meeting was going on. Outside, people were agitating. They say they have no proper water supply, no proper sewage facilities. India finally signs the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Cooperation or BECA with US. US says with India all the way on the Indo-China conflict. Hello and welcome, this is Susan Gomes and I shall take you through the news in detail. India finally signed the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Cooperation or BECA on Tuesday with the US. The agreement will enable India to get extremely accurate geospatial data with major implications for military aspects, especially missiles.
American Foreign Minister Mike Pompeo and Defense Minister T. Esper are in India for a 2+2 visit. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had discussion with Mike Pompeo and Mark T. Esper in the third round of 2+2.
To comprehend the requirements and initiate processes for joint development of requisite systems and expertise. In the defense industrial cooperation area, we had a very candid and useful discussion. Recent initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense sector was underlined as a key driver and a guiding factor of our defense industrial cooperation. I highlighted the capabilities of Indian defense industry and their usefulness in the supply chain of major US platforms and systems.
The United States-India partnership is more important than ever to ensure security, stability, and prosperity of the region and the world. We affirmed the United States' commitment to a comprehensive and forward-looking defense partnership with India and discussed opportunities to expand our regional security cooperation, military-to-military interactions, and defense trade relationship. This includes increasing bilateral defense cooperation in the Indian Ocean region, Southeast Asia, and the broader Indo-Pacific.
Big things are happening as our democracies align to better protect the citizens of our two countries and indeed of the free world. And it's an honor to visit this great nation. It's my third trip here as America's Secretary of State. When I was here last year, I urged two countries to embark on a new age of ambition in our relationship, and I think we've absolutely done that. And that the conversations that we held today reflected welcome progress towards that goal. Thanks to Prime Minister Modi and President Trump's leadership and our shared values, our ties are growing stronger day by day. The United States and India are taking steps to strengthen our cooperation against all manner of threats, and not just those posed by the Chinese Communist Party. In the past year, we've expanded our cooperation on cyber issues. Our navies have held joint exercises in the Indian Ocean. I note too, happily, that Australia is joining Malabar in 2020 naval exercise.
We have just concluded the third India-US 2+2 dialogue. This format is reflective of our comprehensive global strategic partnership. Before our meeting today, I met Secretary Pompeo yesterday to discuss a range of foreign policy issues. These have been two very productive days, and I thank our counterparts for making that happen, for taking the effort to come here physically. If I may say so myself, the performance of our relationship in the last few years has been exceptionally positive. We are also committed to creating more trusted and resilient global supply chains. And India, that is now focused on recovery, resilience, and reform, welcomes an expanded partnership with the United States.
Highlights of 2+2 dialogue. BECA signed. Some projects selected for the joint development of defense equipment. Both nations committed to maintain peace and security in Indo-Pacific area. High resolution satellite images, telephone intercept will be available. Special American data can be used for missile attack. Correct study of any geographical condition. After signing the deal, Rajnath Singh spoke on regional integrity and sovereignty. The India-US relation will strengthen further. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said, while Pompeo said that America supports India. They also visited National War Memorial. Bureau Report, Guwahati 365.
The Nationalist Congress Party on Tuesday attacked Ali Congress and largely ignored the BJP. Its Rajya Sabha MP Praful Patel said that the Congress has been marginalized not only in Goa and also in India. The party has lost all its important MLAs in Goa and also in India, but still party talks of fighting election on their own.
Patel had came down in Goa to meet important leaders of NCP to begin the preparation for 2020 elections. Patel said NCP will tie up with like-minded parties in Goa, but not with the BJP and AAP. In 2017 elections, Congress had initially agreed for alliance, but later went on their own. He also said BJP government is both at centre and the state, but has failed miserably.
Unfortunately, the senior leader of the opposition parties, then the Congress party, initially said yes and then they changed their mind and fought the elections independently. As a result, they got 17 MLAs. If they had contested in alliance with NCP, I am very sure that we would have formed a government with majority of 21 and more between Congress and NCP itself. After the results also came out, Congress had 17 MLAs, Goa Forward had 3 and NCP had 1. We had agreed that if the Congress needed our 1 vote to form the government, we would have happily joined and supported the Congress to form the government in Goa. But as you are all aware, it was only because of the Congress's failure. Remember, Goa Forward also was waiting for the alliance to happen and give a list of their 3 MLAs along with 17 of the Congress and 1 of NCP to form the government. But all the Congress did is they squandered the opportunity and gave the government to BJP on a platter. In the last 4 years, how Congress party with 17 MLAs, one after the other, their MLAs left the Congress party, resigned and have joined the BJP. And 17 MLAs, now Congress reduced only to 5 MLAs. So this also shows that the Congress party is completely marginalized in Goa politics, and they also today, they may talk about fighting alone, they will talk about defeating BJP, but a party which has lost all its important MLAs and has in the national politics also 2 times in a row failed to even get 10% of the members of Lok Sabha, cannot today claim in Goa that we will be defeating the BJP on our own. In Maharashtra also you have seen that Congress is 44 MLAs, NCP is 54 MLAs. The tables have turned even in Maharashtra. And it is thanks to Sharad Pawar ji and NCP that we have an alternative government against the BJP formed in Maharashtra, where Congress also had a chance now to be part of the government.
Irsha Sheikh for Guwahati 365 from Panaji.
Work of laying of sewerage pipelines is going on in Ponda. The roads have been dug up and are a mess. Important point is, leaders from BJP, Congress, Ponda, chairperson, all stay here even though this road is a major mess. Here are the details.
Goa 365 in its campaign to highlight bad condition of road on Tuesday had brought out the pitiable condition of roads at Bori. Now we will see the pitiable condition of road in Khadpaband Ponda, where most VIP stays. But government and local bodies seems to be least concerned. Watch to what locals have to say.
पहिली 2-3 वर्सां जाली सेवरेजीचें काम म्हणून सुरू जालें आनी जे तरेन रस्त्याचें खोदकाम सुरू जाल्लें पळय आसा तें तेंच्यांनी परत सेवरेजीचें काम जातकीर सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी तें सारकें केल्लें ना. आयज जर तुमी प्रत्येक कडेन पळयशी HDFC बँक म्हण तूं म्युनिसिपालिटी म्हण तूं हांगा फोंडे सिटीन म्हण आनी हांव जो उबो आसा सुपर मार्केटान हांगा जी सेवरेजीची टँक म्हणून बांदलेली आसा ह्यो आतां जवळ जवळ वयले आसा आनी रोड हो सकयल गेल्लो आसा आनी खुबशे वेळा आमी पळयता जेन्ना आमी स्कुटरीन वयता चडशे स्कुटरीन ते सेवरेजीच्या टँका वयल्यान वयतकीर त्रास जाता त्या कारणान जिवाक त्रास जाल्ल्या कारणान ताका कट मारपाक सोदता. कट मारपाक सोदता आसतना दुसरो जे मुखाल्ल्यान वाहन येता ताका खूब त्रास जाता आनी हेजे बद्दल एक्सिडंट जावपाची शक्यताय खूब आसता. जे दर्ज्याचे सेवरेजीचें काम फोंड्या जाल्लें आसा तें पळयल्यार खूब दुख्ख वाडटा आनी हेजेर बेगींतल्या बेगीन सरकारान उपाय काडचो. वयस्क लोक स्कुटरीन भोंवता हांवें भोंवता हांव स्वता म्हाज्या जेन्ना मम्मीक घेवन वयता म्हाज्या आईक घेवन वता तेन्ना हांवें पळयल्लें आसा की एक खड्ड्या वयता वयतकीर तिका कितलो त्रास जाता.
आतां पयर हें घातलेलें तेंच्यांनी कॉन्क्रीट घातलेलो तो कॉन्क्रीट काडला आनी आतां चड त्रास जाता हे पळय थोड्यांनी फोंड्यान असो एक जागो ना की बरो गाडी चलयचो असो.
The moon spots can be seen in most places, especially in Ponda Khadpaband, where most VIPs stay. This road is near Vinay Tendulkar's house. Watch its condition. This junction is near Narendra Savikar's house. It is completely riddled with potholes. Watch the pitiful condition of the road near the Ponda chairperson Vishwanath Dalvi's house. This road also leads to MLA and former Chief Minister's Ravi Naik's house. If such condition prevails in a VIP area, then what will be the condition of the common people?
खडपावनार स्वता म्हाका दिसता भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे माजी अध्यक्ष आनी खासदार रावता आमचे फोंडेचे आमदार रावता नगराध्यक्ष रावता आनी अशे VIP सारक्या लोकॅलिटीत हो रोड हांवें कितें उलत पेक्षा तुमी तेंच्याच कडेन विचारून तेंकाच तेंची प्रतिक्रिया घेवची अशें हांव तुमचे लागीं मागतां. त्याच प्रमाणे हांव गोवा 365चें कौतुक करता कारण हो विशय हो खूब गांभिर्याचो विशय आसा आनी तो मुद्दमून गोवा 365 घेतले त्या बद्दल हांव तेंचें कौतुक करतां.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. There was a big hangama outside the municipality. While the municipality meeting was on, NCP leader Sanjay Barde, along with locals from Mapsa, came out in protest over no proper water supply, sewage issue and other issues. They even met the MLA and councillors and submitted a memo. Listen in to their grievances.
Locals from Mapasa have alleged that they have been not receiving proper water supply and electricity shortcut. They even said that they are facing a lot of inconvenience due to sewage line work. Listen in.
आमकां सारकें कनेक्शन ना हांगा उदकाचें हें ना म्हापसा शहराची वाट लागलेली आहा अक्षय शहराची वाट लागलेली आसा. हे BJPचे कावन्सिलान आयज कांयच करूंक ना पूण प्रत्येक कावन्सिलाचे मिटिंगेक राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षा तर्फे आमी भायर तांकां ओपोज करीत रावतले आनी हेच्या फुडें पंचायतचे धर्तीचेर जनरल बॉडी जर मिटींग थंयसर जाता आनी हांगा जर जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जायना तर ऑपोजिशन हें जाताना आमी भायर रस्त्यार रावन हेंचे कडसून आमची कामां करून घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा आनी BJPच्या सरकाराक हे कावन्सील मिटींग पयशे घेता म्हणून अख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांक सांगता म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील हे भ्रश्ट आसा.
ते दिसा नोटीस आयिल्ली आनी काल मिटींग आहा म्हणून सांगलेलें आनी काका आमचो मिटींगेक गेल्लो काल तितल्यान पळयता जाल्यार हो जवाहरलाल शेट्ये आनी ही म्युनिसिपालिटीचे लोक आयले. हांव म्हटलें कितें जाला का म्हटलें ना हो जवाहरलाल म्हणूंक लागलो तुमचे इल्लीगल म्हणून कंप्लेंट केला. हांव म्हटलें हो कोण का म्हटलें आमचो जागो कंप्लेंट करपी आनी तुमी म्हटलें मिटींग आहा म्हणून सांगलें न्ही. काका म्हटलं मिटींगेक गेला ना म्हणूंक लागलो आमचें काम आमी करतली म्हणून म्हाका म्युनिसिपालिटीच्यांनी सांगलें. हांवें ताका फक्त हेका विचारलें जवाहरलालाक तुका कितें लागता का म्हणून हो म्हाका धमकी दिवंक लागलो तुका कितें लागता तुका दाखयता आपूण कितें तें अशें तशें म्हाका खूब कितें कितें म्हटलें. मागीर पुलिसांक फोन केलो तेणें हांव मारूंक वचोंकूच ना हे म्हाज्या आंगार येता म्हाका बुरशे गाळी दिता अशें म्हणून सांगूंक लागलो. म्हाजी भुरगीं आहा माय म्हाजी बरी नासता आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीचे येवन अशें सतयलें मागीर आमी कितें करपाचें.
Sandeep Kamalkar for Goa 365 in Mapsa.
The coronavirus cases in India have reached 79.46 lakhs. In the last 24 hours, more than 36,000 cases were reported. Country reported less than 40,000 cases in the last 24 hours after 98 days. It was on 21st July India had reported 39,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Another silver lining, the recovery rate in India is more than 90%. Brazil is second position with 89.95% recovery rate. France has the least recovery rate with 9.69%.
A single-day jump of 36,470 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 488 deaths were reported and 63,842 patients have recovered. India has reported 79,46,429 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases stands at 6.25 lakh. 1,19,502 deaths are reported and 72,01,070 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 16.48 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 8.8 lakh, Karnataka 8.5 lakh, Tamil Nadu 7.11 lakh and UP 4.72 lakh. More than 4 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 4.37 crore. 11.64 lakh deaths are reported and 3.21 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 84.85 lakh cases, followed by second worst state nation India 79.46 lakh cases, Brazil 54.11 lakh cases, Russia 15.31 lakh cases and France with 11.64 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Bad roads and cattle on the roads are in the news nowadays. On Tuesday, 3 persons were injured in an accident reported on NH17 at Naveband, Kunkolim due to cattle on the roads. Here's more.
आणि हो एक्सिडेंट जावपाचें कारण म्हळ्यार हे हॉल्त सामके डेंजर जाल्ले आहा. आनी एक फावटी हांवेंच हांगा डिमांड केल्लो की हे हॉल्त कापून हो रोड स्ट्रेट करचो म्हणून. वचून म्हणल्यार आमदारांनी हे लक्षांत घेतलें ना म्हूण गव्हर्मेंटान हे लक्षांत घेतलें ना. सेकंड थिंग्स म्हळ्यार ह्या रस्त्याचेर गोरवां बशिल्ले आसता. पयलीं ही हायवे नॅरो आहा आनी हांगा गोरवां बशिल्ले आसतात. आनी ह्या गोरवां लागून लोक जेन्ना गाडी भायर मारता तेन्ना ही गाडी भायर वता आनी गाडी हांगा स्कीड जावन भायर पडटात. तेन्ना म्हगेले हे सरकारा कडेन मागणी आहा की ही हे वॉल्त आहा हे सामके डेंजर जावन आसा. हे वॉल्त बेगीच्या बेगीन कापून हांगा रस्तो स्ट्रेट करचो, नाल्यार हे घडत रावतले हांगा आनी ह्या प्लेसीचेर जायतो लोकूय मेल्लो आहा.
तर ही केन्ना इन्सिडेंट जालो हो आज?
हो सकाळीं जाल्लो.
आनी कितले इंजर्ड बी कितें आसात?
1-2 जाण कितें तरी इंजर्ड जाल्या म्हूण आयकल्यात.
ओके. ही काणकोणच्यान येताली?
हय.
कितें सांगूं सोदता तूं गव्हर्मेंटाक?
मुगेले गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन इतली मागणी आहा की हे वॉल्त कापून हो रस्तो स्ट्रेट करचो, नाल्यार हे इन्सिडेंट घडत रावतले.
ही नॅशनल हायवे?
हय, NH17.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Kokoli.
We shall slip into a short break. Don't go away. Welcome back. Goa got hit by rain accompanied by loud thunder and lightning on Monday night as the monsoons prepared to leave the state. This year, the state got a record-breaking amount of rain. Here's more.
Goa was lashed by thunderstorm for about an hour on Monday night. On Tuesday, most parts of Goa were cloudy. Now, IMD says the state is most likely to witness thunderstorms accompanied by lightning at isolated places all over the state. On Monday, in last 24 hours, Panji received highest rainfall and Kankana received least amount of rainfall. Here are the details. 24 hours rainfall: Mapsa 14.2 mm, Pernem 8.8 mm, Ponda 15.8 mm, Panji 44.8 mm, Old Goa 8.8 mm, Sakli 23.2 mm, Valpai not available, Kankana 1.2 mm, Dabolim 7.2 mm, Margaon 10 mm, Mormugaon 12 mm, Kepe 20.8 mm, Sange 12 mm. Samdeep Narvekar, Sandeep Twekar, Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 from Paniji, Margaon and Kalang.
There is no question of closing the I-League. Both the Indian Super League and the I-League will coexist. They will be League 1 and League 2. Praful Patil, the All India Football Federation President, said on Tuesday.
The AIFF chief was in Goa. He said that the old system of managing football had to be changed, especially on the financial aspect. He said that finance as well as proper dedication were most important for any football club to thrive in the long run. Listen to what he has to say.
Historically, whatever was the traditional way of football has to change at some time. Clubs also cannot sustain themselves without money. We have to bring in this kind because it's good for players, it's good for the clubs, it's good for the fans, and unless you have a healthy economic system for football, it will not survive in the long run. Now, we have integrated the ISL and the I-League also in a way where promotion and relegation will take place. It is no more a closed league. It was only a closed league for first few years. Now, 20. We have now Mohan Bagan and East Bengal have joined the ISL. Hopefully, Mr. Churchill will also get a good financial partner and be able to come into the ISL in near future. And from 2023 season, ISL club and I-League both will have promotion relegation. So if the last club of ISL will get out and go to I-League, and I-League club will be promoted. So there is no problem now. In future, it is no more a closed league. I-League and ISL will coexist as League 1 and League 2.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones and keep watching Goa365.